In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Ironbeam to TradingView. By the end, you'll be placing trades directly from your TradingView charts using your Ironbeam account. I'll walk you through the process step by step, keeping it simple and clear. Start by opening TradingView and loading any chart you want to work with. Make sure you're signed into your TradingView account so your connection can be saved. Once your chart is open, look toward the lower left area of the chart where the trading panel lives. Click the Trading Panel tab to open it. This panel is where TradingView lists all supported brokers you can connect to. When the panel opens, you'll see a grid of broker icons and names. Scroll through this list until you find Ironbeam. If you have a long list and don't want to scroll, use the search box built into the panel. Type Ironbeam into the search field and TradingView will filter the list so it appears right away. Once you've located Ironbeam, click it to select that broker. This opens a short description and a connection prompt. Go ahead and click Connect. TradingView will now redirect you to a secure login window for authentication. This is normal and ensures your credentials are handled safely. In the login window, enter your Ironbeam broker credentials exactly as you use them with your broker. Then proceed to sign in. Depending on your setup, you might be asked to confirm account type or approve permissions for TradingView to access your trading account. Accept those prompts to complete the handshake. If you have multiple accounts, be sure you choose the one you intend to trade from, such as your live or demo account. After you sign in, TradingView returns you to your chart and shows your connection status in the trading panel. You should see your account information along with options to place orders, manage positions, and view order history directly from the chart. To verify everything is working, check that market data and account details appear correctly and that the status shows connected. If you run into issues, double-check your username and password, ensure any pop-up blockers are disabled for TradingView, and confirm your Ironbeam account has trading permissions enabled for platform connections. A quick browser refresh or signing out and back in can also help if the session stalls. That's it. You've successfully connected Ironbeam to TradingView. From here, you can trade, manage risk, and monitor positions without leaving your charts. Thanks for watching and happy trading.